Welcome to Faith Blooms Oils. My name is Alyssa Ramsey and I love Jesus, my family, essential oils, and dry shampoo because a girl needs her dry shampoo. I am passionate about helping educate and bring awareness about the toxins and chemicals that are in our everyday household products and helping you know better so that you can do better. So let's get started. So we're going to be talking about laundry detergent. We all need it, but is what you're using really safe for your family? Today we're going to be talking about a natural option and how it can be super affordable for you and your family. So when we talk about laundry detergent, there are lots of options out there. When you go to the store, there are a few brands that are pretty popular. So if we talk about Tide, you see that one kind of everywhere. Even 7th Generation is a pretty popular all-natural brand that you can pick up from the store. But what's really in it? Have you checked the ingredients? So when you look at the ingredients that are in the detergent from the store, a couple of really popular or common ingredients that you're going to find in most detergents is going to be fragrance. So fragrance is a combination of up to 3,000 different ingredients that a company doesn't have to disclose to you. And a lot of those are actually carcinogens. So that's a big no-no. No cancer in our systems, please. The other one that is really popular is sodium lauryl sulfate. Sodium lauryl sulfate is often linked to 1,4-dioxane. 1,4-dioxane, if you look that up at the EPA.gov, you can find information that tells you that it's likely to be a carcinogen to humans by all levels of exposure. No thank you. So what can we use that is more natural and safe for your family without breaking the bank? So I have a recommendation for you. We love using Thieves Laundry Detergent at our house. Thieves Laundry Detergent is made by Young Living. Young Living is an awesome company that my family has been using for the last 5 years, and we trust it because they have entire quality control. So they do everything from household products to beauty products to essential oils, and we love them all. They are the only company in the entire world that owns their own farms. So that means that they have entire quality control as to what is going into the ground and then what is going into the bottle from start to finish. So when it comes to essential oils, there's some things you need to know. They're not all the same. And something that's really important about essential oils is making sure that they are providing you with the highest possible medicinal benefits that you can receive. And the only way that you can get those is if you own your own farms. And Young Living is the only one that does. Because when you harvest your plant, you want to distill it within a couple of hours. And if you don't own your own farms, you can't do that. So they're able to harvest their plants, let them rest, to allow the plants to produce the highest quality essential oils before then they walk them across the field straight to the distillation area and distill that oil straight from the plant. No other company can do that. So that's why we love Young Living essential oils. The Young Living essential oil that is in this laundry soap is the Thieves, which is super popular. You've probably heard it and you've probably even seen other companies try to mimic it. But Thieves is a combination of clove essential oil, cinnamon essential oil, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata. It's an awesome blend that helps boost our immunity, as well as it's got a lot of great little cleaners in here too. The other reason why we love our Thieves Laundry Soap, if you look at the ingredients that are on the back of the Thieves Laundry Soap, it says right here that it's free from SLS, dyes, petrochemicals, formaldehyde, phosphates, synthetic perfumes, and optical brighteners, which means that those are common ingredients in the laundry detergents that you're gonna buy from the store. So I don't know about you, but those don't sound like things that I really want sitting on my clothes and then on my skin all day long. So this is free from all of that. The other cool thing about the Thieves products, including the household cleaner, is if you look at the caution on the back of it, it says keep out of reach of children for external use only. If case of eye contact, flush thoroughly with water. If swallowed, drink plenty of water and consult a physician. Doesn't say you have to call poison control immediately or flush your eyes with water consistently for 15 minutes. So awesome. So we're going to do a quick hack that's going to show you how you can take this and break it in thirds and make it cheaper. Thieves Laundry Detergent, it's $29.50 a bottle, and it has up to 64 loads in it, which comes to about 45 cents a load. If you compare that to what you can buy from the store, you're going, wait a second, that's not cheaper and that's kind of expensive. But this is 6 times ultra concentrated, and we're gonna cut this in thirds today so that you can make it not only more affordable, but we're gonna add the extra boosting power of the Thieves Household all-purpose cleaner to it, and it's gonna even give it an extra boost of cleaning power, which is really awesome. So what you're gonna need to do this laundry hack is you're gonna need 3 32-ounce PET plastic pump bottles. I got these off Amazon. If you're interested in finding these, they're about $10 for all 3. I'll put the link down in the description for you. You're also going to need 1 bottle of the Thieves Laundry Detergent, 1 bottle of the Thieves Household Cleaner, 1 glass or stainless steel shot glass, 1 funnel, and 1 jug of distilled water. First, you're gonna wanna take 1 of your pump bottles. The other 2, I took empty Thieves Laundry Soap bottles and I pulled the sticker off the front and just stuck them on there. So that way I know exactly what's in there. This is also really awesome because I used to actually use my old Thieves Laundry bottles and just break it up into thirds and do it that way. But then I was getting confused as to which ones were diluted and which ones weren't diluted. So this will make it pretty clear for you to be able to tell which ones have already been broken up into thirds. So you're gonna take your foaming bottle or your pump bottle and your Thieves Laundry Soap, and you're gonna fill it to about here. So we're gonna do that first. That's pretty good. After you add your Thieves Laundry Soap, you're going to use your Thieves Household Cleaner. Your Thieves Household Cleaner, when you're a Young Living member, is $22 a bottle. You're going to use 3 capfuls. Each bottle of Thieves Household Cleaner has 57.6 capfuls, approximately, give or take. And each capful is about 38 cents. So you're using about $1.15 worth of Thieves Household Cleaner in your 1 pump bottle. You're also gonna want your funnel so that you can put that right into here. And then your shot glass so that you can put your 3 capfuls in here. This is 1 shot glass, or 1 capful in this shot glass, which is about 1/4 of an ounce. So that's how I got that measurement. And 1 capful will do 1 16-ounce spray bottle of cleaner, which is really awesome because then that means you're getting, for less than $1, you're making a spray bottle of household cleaner that's gonna clean all of the things, really. So you can't beat that. All right, so that's 1, we need 3. That's 2 and 3. And it kind of smells like Christmas, so that's an added bonus. All right, after you have added that to your pump bottle, now we're just gonna fill it with water. So you're gonna take your distilled water and you're gonna wanna pour slowly because it is soap, so it's gonna foam up a little bit. So if you go too fast, it might get really foamy on you pretty quick, and then it'll make it hard to finish filling up. But you can see that foaming up already pretty quick, so even though it's diluted in thirds, you're still gonna get a lot of suds out of it. So you don't need to worry about it not being sudsy. So we're gonna fill it almost to the top. Might have to stop a little short because we do have some suds. we'll go ahead and add our cap to it, and I can add some more water to it in a little bit. After you get your water added to it though, and you get it pretty full, here comes the fun part. It's a shake party. So you just want to kind of get it mixed to where it looks like it's pretty well incorporated. All of the cleaner, all of the soap is mixed fairly well with the water. All right, after you've gotten that about where you want it, you're going to want to save one of the lids from your Thieves Laundry Soap so that you can reuse it in your laundry room. When you are using the Thieves Laundry Soap, this cap and this bottle are smaller than what you're probably used to. So if you're buying a comparable amount of liquid per load, or not per load, but amount of loads per bottle, you're buying 100 fluid ounces of that other popular brand. This is 32 fluid ounces. So smaller cap, smaller amount of detergent needed. If you're using an HE washer, you know you have less soap that you need, so you're using right about to here. If you have a regular top loader, you're gonna fill it to right about here. So we're just gonna unscrew this so that we can get our soap out. So for me, I have an HE washer. So we're looking at about between 3 and 4 pumps. It was my first time getting it out, so it may only take about 3. It took me about 4. The first pump was a little bit full of air. But anyways, about 3 to 4 pumps. If you're using a top loader, it might be 4 to 5. So, and that's it. You'll just dump that straight into your washer slot, or straight into your part where you put your soap. If you would like to add essential oils to this, you can. I like the smell, and I use wool dryer balls, so I don't find it necessary to add essential oils to this. I just use it as is. But if you would like to add some essential oils to your laundry soap, now would be the time to do it. And you can choose between, you know, lavender, or you could use some purification from Young Living. It's got some tea tree in it, which is really great for kind of helping get the stank out. So you could add about 50 drops of your choice of Young Living essential oils to your laundry detergent, and then shake it up and add it in here. But like I said, I use wool dryer balls in place of dryer sheets, and I add about 3 drops of lemongrass, Young Living's lemongrass essential oils to that, and that's where I add the scent to my clothes. All right, so that was our hack today for taking a awesome, natural, completely free of any toxins or chemicals laundry soap from Young Living, Thieves Laundry Soap, and splitting it into thirds. This broke it down so that way our $29.50 a bottle was broken down into $9.83 per bottle, plus our $1.15 of our 3 capfuls of Thieves household cleaner, which makes each foaming or each pump bottle $10.98 a bottle, which is 17 cents a load, which ends up being cheaper than what I would consider the most popular store-bought laundry detergent, which for sure has toxins and chemicals in it that you don't want in your home. So it's actually cheaper to do the natural thing. So if you would like to see more health and beauty tips and tricks, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button, ding that bell so you get notified when we post more videos, and you can follow us on social media on Facebook or Instagram at Faith Blooms Oils. And if you have any suggestions of things that you would like to see, whether it be a beauty DIY, or if you would like to see something like this where we take a product and we do something with it, then I would love to hear your comments down below. So go ahead and add those for us so that we can make some more videos for you like this, because I would love to do what you want to see. Thanks so much for joining us today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!